So today we're going to talk about similar triangle proofs, and they're a little different than congruent triangle proofs. If you remember, when we proved triangles were congruent, we could do so with side, angle, side, 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 angle, side, angle, hypotenuse, leg, or side, side, side. And when we were talking about these proofs, we were showing angles are congruent or sides are congruent. When we talk about similar triangle proofs, we're going to be trying to prove two different things. We're going to be trying to prove either angles are congruent, but in similar triangles, sides are not congruent. Sides are proportional. So those are the two things I'm going to be trying to prove. So let's look at the first example. If we have all angles congruent, we know two triangles are similar. So the first one is angle-angle similarity. If A is equal to F and B is equal to G, then we have two angles equal, so they are similar. Now the reason we don't have three angles equal is just really easily, if I zoom in here a little bit, and let's just say angle A was 100 and angle B was 20. Well, that means angle F is 100 and angle G is also 20. So the third angle in these triangles, if I use that triangle sum theorem, it's 180 minus 120. That equals 60 degrees for the first triangle and the second triangle. So once I figure out two angles are the same, I know all three are the same. So we really only have to figure out two for angle. Now looking at side, angle, side, or side, side, side. This is different than congruent triangles because I'm not saying the sides are congruent. I'm saying the sides are proportional. So if this side was 2x and this side was x, this side might be 3y just 2y. 2y and y, and then 2z and z. So the sides are proportional because they're all being multiplied by the same scale factor of 2. So side, 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 we would actually need to show that MP over JK, the red lines, are proportional to OP over LK. And those are proportional, the blue lines, then to the green lines, MO over JL. And if I show all the sides are proportional, that's another way to show my triangles are similar. And the third way is a combination of two angles the same, angle Y and angle, I think that's a Z or S, and two sides proportional. And this would be side, angle, side. So let's flip to that inside right and look at an example of how we could do a proof. So on the inside left, our example, I've already written down my statement and reason chart and written down my given. So they gave us that DC, which is this side, is equal to 2 times AC. So if this was x, this would be 2x. It's twice as big. And then EC, this side, is equal to 2 times this side. Let's call it y, 2y. It's twice as big. So what they gave us is that the sides are being multiplied by that same scale. So my sides are proportional. For step 2, I just got to make my proportion. So I'm going to look at the two sides that are proportional here. AC over DC. And those are my black sides on that triangle. AC over DC is proportional to the blue sides. EC over BC. Actually, I I should start with BC, because I have the smaller side on top. BC over EC. And my reason is they're multiplied by the same scale factor, so these sides are proportional. They're multiplied by the same scale factor of 2. So now that I know I have my sides multiplied by that same scale factor, that's all I can get. So I'm thinking I need either 2 angles equal, 3 sides proportional, or 2 sides proportional and an angle equal. So I got the 2 sides proportional. I just need an angle equal. Looking at this diagram, the vertical angles are congruent. So step 3, angle ACD is congruent to angle DCE. And that's because the vertical angles are congruent. Now I have 2 sides proportional, 1 angle in between them is equal. So I'm done proving these are similar by side angle side. So step number 4 is I know my triangles ABC is similar to triangle. Make sure you use that similar sign, not congruent. DEC. And step 4, the reason is I use the side angle side postulate. So I would pause the video, try that example on the inside left, and then I'll pause and show you the answer. So on this one, we're given 2 lines are parallel. The parallel lines are AB and ED. So a little arrow on there shows they're parallel. Now remember, if I'm given parallel lines, I know things about angles. Corresponding angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal. And I taught a few of my classes, if you make a Z, you could find the alternate interior angles really easily. They're just the corners of the Z. So angle BAC is congruent to angle EDC. Ran out of room there. And that's because those are alternate interior angles, and they're congruent. The second one they kind of gave you is these 2 angles are equal. And those are the vertical angles. So vertical angles are congruent. So I have 2 angles the same. That's angle. Angle, that's enough to prove these are similar triangles.